Hello. In the last video we created this all tags page where we show these buttons with badges of all our tags, and in this video we're going to be creating the tag page in which when we click on each tag we see the posts of that particular tag. So let's do that. Let's commit the changes that we've made so far. So git add dot and git commit created all tags page. Okay, so this is going to be another template, so let's create that and let's call that tag posts.js. So tag-posts.js. And before we do anything here, we don't have a lot of code to write in Gatsby node, so let's get that out of the way first. Let's create a tag posts entry in the templates object. So tag posts, and that will pertain to path.resolve, not resolve or resolve, source slash templates slash tag dash posts.js. And it's simple as looping through our tags. So let's do here underneath all the all tags page, let's do create tag posts pages, and let's do tags dot for each tag and tag, and we do an arrow to this create page, page, and that takes a path as per usual. Template literal string, doing backticks, slash tag, slash $, curly braces, slugify tag, and you will take a component of templates, which we just added, dot tags, tag posts. And it will also take a context, because I will show you in a second. That context will be the tag itself. And let's save this and go to the file we just created, which is this. Let's bring in React, import React from React. Let's do const tag posts. Don't know why it froze there. And it will take data, because we're going to do a GraphQL query and page context, and it's going to arrow to this. And let's actually write that GraphQL query first. And actually before that, first we need to bring GraphQL itself, GraphQL from Gatsby. And let's write our query. So export const tag query GraphQL backticks, enter, tab, and let's do a query. Actually, I realized I don't even need to name these queries. I could just do a query and then just do the query itself. So this takes a tag which we passed here, this tag context variable, and it's of type string, and we do an exclamation mark to reiterate again that it would be we need to have it. It's I'm forgetting the terminology, but you get the vibe. So all markdown remark, and we open parentheses, and we need to sort these. So sort by, and let's open curly braces, fields, front matter, triple underscore date, and we pass an order of descending, so desk, and we also need to filter. So filter is, it's a filter. If you've dealt with database queries before, this is something you used to get records with a certain property. So in this case, our records need to have in their front matter, so front matter, I made a typo, front matter, and in the front matter, in the tags, we do this. So in, and we put our $sign tag here. And this means that in that array, we need to find this tag. So if that tag exists in that array, that means gives us this one post. We want this post. So we need this total count. We need also edges, of course, and inside of edges we need node. And we need the ID of the node, we need front matter, so the usual stuff really. Inside of that we need title, date, which we're gonna format, so open parentheses, format string, and this will take this format, so quadruple M to YYYY, our usual format, author, tags, and the image. Wait, do we have an image? Oh yeah, of course we have an image. This is the post image, not the tag image. Image, child image, sharp, and inside of that we need the fluid, and that will take a max width of 650. And by the way, you can also specify max height. And you can specify only the max height if you want. Let's go to 371. Gatsby. Don't know why the one could have done 370, but whatever. Gatsby image sharp fluid, and we need the slug. So I believe we're here. So fields slug, and we need excerpt. And yeah, that's it. Oh, by the way, we need to export our component itself, so let's do export default tag posts. And let's save so that it formats, and it doesn't format properly for some reason. Okay, that's fine. I'm not offended. Let's get our tag, so const tag from page context. From, I don't know why I did from page context, and we need as well to get our total count, and you'll see why in a second. Total count from and I almost typed from data dot all markdown remark, which is this. And now let's do a page title. So const page, let's call it header, just to not confuse it with the page title in layout, even though we're gonna pass it for that, but let's just call it this. So template literal string and total count, space post, and we're gonna do something needlessly troublesome. So we open a conditional here, so let's do total count triple equal 1, and then this is a ternary operator. If let me type it out and then explain it in case you don't know what that is. Let's type it out. So what happens here, actually let's finish typing the whole thing. Wait, so total count post, and let's say tagged with, again another variable, but I want to put this in double quotation marks, which is okay because we're not in double quotation marks, so it's not going to end it. So we're just going to do this tag. So an example of this would be like 15 posts tagged with whatever the tag is called, like design. And the idea behind this conditional here is that we take the total count of our posts, and if that's 1, that means it's only one post, so we can say like one post tagged with. But if it's more than 1, that means if it's not equal than 1, it's going to be S, so posts, not post, because it's plural and not singular. And this is a ternary operator, so if this condition, I always hate like that condition. I like to put conditionals in parentheses, but prettier here is configured to remove them, because if I save again, it's going to remove them. So if this is a condition, and if it's true, this is a ternary operator. If it's true, this is going to be executed. If it's not, this is going to be executed. And in this case, it's just like a string returned. Okay, let's return here. Let's return our content. So layout as per usual, and the page title is this page header. So page header, and inside of that, I'm gonna loop through our posts. So data.all markdown remark dot edges dot map, and we're gonna destructure the node, and we're gonna return for each node a post. So post, the key is node.id. We need to pass a slug, which is the node.fields.slug. We need to pass a title, which is going to be node.frontMatter.title. We need to pass an author, which is going to be node.frontMatter.author. We need to pass a date, which is node.frontMatter.date. We need the body, so body, which is node.excerpt, and we need tags, which is going to be node.frontMatter.tags. We need fluid, which is going to be node.frontMatter.image.child.image_sharp.fluid, and we need a what do we need? No, that's it. Okay, let's close this tag and let's bring in post itself and layout for that matter. So layout, from go back one level, components / layout, and then let's bring post from the same folder. So go back one level to /components /post, and I think that's it. Let's just run and see what happens. I think something is wrong with this query because it's not formatting, but let's just run. Don't know why it's not formatting. Export const tag query equals GraphQL. Oh, of course there's something wrong. Syntax, what is wrong? So take a tag, type string, markdown remark. Wait, this should tell us what's wrong. Cannot parse unexpected character dot. Where is this dot? There's a dot somewhere. Oh, this is a spread operator. And there we go. Not 2 dots, 3 dots. And it's compiled with warnings. What is the warning? There are multiple modules with names that only differ in casing. I've had this error before. How did I solve it? Oh, okay. Yeah, just give it a lowercase layout. There we go. Brilliant. Let's refresh, and there we go. See, 1 post tag with tutorial if we click on design, 2 posts tag with design, and we get the ones that have design. And if we go as well and find the one with, did we click on code? Yeah, we didn't. So code, 2 tags with tagged with code, and there we go. We have the tags from here as well. They work. Right? They all work. There, I clicked all of them. Do you believe me now? Okay, so we've created the single tag page, and yeah, I hope you are happy with that because I am. And the next video, we're going to be working on pagination, because what happens if we have too many posts? We're not going to have all the posts in one page. We need to create more pages. So I look forward to seeing you there. Okay, bye.